3, 2, 1.
Rocket.
There it is. Rocket on the wrong side. Oh, get it! Yes!
Here's a little aftermath here. Got that gator out again. Tommy's wielding it. Oh no, Colin is. Got a big fire with all the shit in there.
Stumps.
Oh yeah, here are these big old stumps over here. Cut through these in like 2 seconds with that saw. The saw actually got stuck when we were cutting the tree and it was wedged in there. So we tied it onto another branch that wasn't coming down with a rope. And when it came down, it just dropped and the saw is fine now. So, yep.